YouTube channel SoftAcademy. So in this tutorial session I'll discuss about a new topic which is the analytic function, very important analytic function. The topic is in this tutorial session I'll discuss about the Oracle analytic functions, that is RowNumber. So this is very much important analytic function in Oracle. So I'll discuss about number one, what is RowNumber in the analytic functions, and number two, how to use RowNumber in analytic functions. Okay, so this is the topic for today's session right now. So now before that I just want to introduce my channel who are watching this video new and who are just come to watch this video new. For them I want to introduce my channel. In this channel SoftAcademy, I used to upload all the videos for Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PL/SQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database architecture and data design, Oracle database administration, Oracle database performance tuning, and also Unix shell programming and scripting. Okay, so this is the complete tutorial channel for Oracle different tutorials. If you want to learn Oracle from the very beginning, and if you are a intermediate learner or if you are a experienced Oracle professional, you can just watch these videos, because I make all the videos in a very easy and understandable way. In each video I have described each topic in easy and understandable way, so that all the people's starting from the very junior level to the senior level, they can understand the video, they can understand the topic well. And I started from the very starting, like SQL, that is structured query language, then various videos for structured query language, various videos for Oracle PL/SQL programming, advanced topics on SQL and PL/SQL, different advanced topics I have described in each videos. And also I have described I have uploaded many videos for Oracle interview questions, as you see in my screens. Just watch all the videos. And I have a series of videos for each topic. Just watch the video from the beginning to the end, so that you can understand the video well, you can understand the topic well, and I try to describe it in detail with hands-on practical. Okay, this is about my channel and about me. My name is Rabin, and I have total of 17 years of experiences working with this all these Oracle technologies and also Unix technologies. So I have within my 17 years of experiences, I have worked with many positions, starting from Oracle developer to then technical lead, technical project lead, then project manager, and also senior system analyst. So this kind of roles I have performed in my 17 years of careers in Oracle development, also Unix development, and right now I am a senior Oracle consultant as well as technical and corporate trainer and interviewer. So I used to take interviews for many MNC companies, recruiting their peoples who are joined new, and for their various Oracle positions, also Unix positions like Oracle developer, SQL developer, PL/SQL developer, Oracle forms and reports developer, or Oracle database administrator, and performance tuning positions, various positions, Oracle forms developer positions. So I used to take interviews for them for various MNCs. And also I provide training, various corporate trainings for various MNCs, freshers batches as well as experienced people also. And if you after watching the video, if you wish to join my any of the module of Oracle technology or Unix technology, you just ping me in my WhatsApp number, or you can email me. This number is there. You can just WhatsApp me or email me about the details if you want to know much details about the module you want to join. And there is a short process. After the short process, you can just join my online interactive training sessions. I provide the training on online interactive training sessions, and I'm providing this training last 10 years. So this is about my channel and about me, and today I'm just going to start my today's topic, which I told at the beginning. The topic is Oracle Analytic Functions, that is RowNumber. So what is RowNumber in Oracle? Oracle, I already upload one video for analytic functions. As you see in my screen, this is the Oracle Analytic Function, and this is for first value analytic functions. Here I describe what is analytic functions and all about the first value analytic functions. So I am not describing again what is our analytic functions. That is in this video. I just watch this video before that, before this video, and I just going to explain what is the analytic functions. Okay, so what is the RowNumber analytic functions? Okay, so RowNumber analytic function basically gives the running serial number to a partition of records. Okay, I repeat, RowNumber analytic functions gives the running serial number of a partition of records. Okay, so now what is partition of records? So I am going to my SQL prompt. Just going to my SQL prompt is, yes, this is my SQL prompt is here, and I have EMP table. So I have 17 records in my EMP table, and this is the department number and employee name, and these are the columns, and there are 17 rows. So what is partition of records? If you see, if we just see department number, there are three different or distinct department number we can see, right? And department number 10, department number 20, and 30. Okay, so partition of we can partition the total records, or whatever the records available in the EMP table according to the department. Okay, like number 10, how many employees are working, number 20, how many employees are working, number 30, how many employees are working. Okay, so that is called the partition, and that partition on over the department number, and on the department number we can partition this kind of we can make this kind of partition on the employee table, right? So this is called the partition. So now RowNumber gives the running serial number to each partition. Let's say I make it 3 partitions. So just I'm going to my SQL prompt. Yes, so I'll if I make these 3 partitions, so it will gives the serial number for each record starting from 1, then on the same partition next number will be 2, likewise next number will be 3, and start if a new partition will start, then the running serial number will start again from 1. Okay, then 2, then 3, like this, and for the next partition it will again start from 1. So I think you have understand it. Okay, so what is the partition and what is the running serial number? So this is called the running serial number. So now I'll show you a demonstration how I can just show you what is the partition and how Oracle Analytic Function RowNumber works. Okay, so now let's say I want to see the as I said, department wise employee information, and on the and the same time I want the running serial number as I explained. Okay, so what would be my query? So I'll write the query here. See, I will write the query. So I'll write select. So I'll take the department number as my first column. dptno, and then I'll take emp ename. So I can take ename, I can take job, I can take then salary, and then I can take hire date. So I'll take department number and ename, salary, hire date, and now I'll just want to see the running serial number for each record, for each partition of according to the department. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use the row number analytic function here. So I'll use row number. So when I use the row number analytic function, this is the analytic function, so I'll have to give a open and close bracket after the row number. Okay, and when I use any analytic function, I'll use over clause. So over, and as I said earlier, I have described earlier partition over the department number, so I'll write here over partition by dptno. So department wise I'll make the partition, and I'll make the order by clause, and it is by hire date. Okay, so I want to know also what the employees are hired according to the date. Okay, so who are the employees they are hired first, and according to who are employees they hired at last. Okay, so it will be the according to the hire date. Okay, so order by hire date. So partition by department number and order by hire date. So if there is a null value exist, I'll just put here nulls last. So that's why I'm writing here nulls last. It is an optional, not mandatory, but if there is a null value, I'll just put the nulls last. Any value if exist null, so it will come at the last. And if this is shown as a column value, so I'll just give a alias for this column, that is RNO. Let's say RNO, that is stands for row number. And I'll use from clause from emp, my table name, and I'll use order by clause, order by dptno. So I'll use dptno and hire date. Okay, so I am explaining again, as I described earlier, I have to make the partition according to the department, and according to the department I have to display the employee information, and according to the department I'll whatever the employee appear first, the row number will appear 1, and then whatever the employee appears, that row number will be 2, then 3, like this. And then next partition, for the next partition, like partition 20, it will appear again, it will start to appear row number 1, then 2, 3, according to that, according likewise it will display. Okay, so this is the query. Select department number. I can take all the columns. It is not mandatory that I'll just give this much of column names, but you can write all the column names. Not this is not the constraint for taking not all the columns, but I just I just taken this much of columns. Department number, emp and ename, and job and salary. So hire date, and I'll put here row number. So over partition by department number, I'll make the partition over the department, and I'll make the arrange the my records according to hire date. Okay, as I explained. So and this columns areas I have written here, I have given a name RNO, and from emp table order by department number, I have to make the order of department by hire date also. Okay, so let's see what is the output. See, it is the output is showing very nice. So in department number 10, if you see in department number 10, I get all the employee information according to the row number. So row number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the running serial number for every employee information. Okay, and when it starts 20, if it again start from 1, the running serial number start from 1, and according to the information of employee information, it will increase by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 is end here, so 6 up to 6 it is here, and number 30 it is till the end, so it is again start from 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is the running serial number of this employee information. Okay, so I think you have understood it well. I tried to understand it very well in easy way, so that you can understand in detail with hands-on practical I have shown you. So that's all for this tutorial session. I think you have get information, valuable information from my from this video. And next point is how to use row number analytic function. I already shown you in practical way. So this is all about this today's tutorial session, and if you think this video was informative, and if you think this video was valuable for you for your learning, and if my video have added some value to your learning, and if it was useful for your learning, just give a like and also subscribe my channel, so that you can watch my next video. You can get a notification for my next video when I upload the video, and also share my video with your friends, colleagues, and who you know, so that all the other participants also, all the other candidates also, your colleagues, friends, whoever you know, you just share my channel name or the video link, so that they can understand also, they can learn, and they can learn from my video, and they can grow their skill in Oracle platform. Okay, and Oracle Unix and various platform. Okay, so that's all for this today's tutorial session. Just give a like to my video if it was informative and if it was helpful for your learning, and also share my channel with your friends and colleagues, and your known person, and also just subscribe my channel, that is so that you can just get the notification for my next video. And that's all for this today's video and session. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.